Alright, for today we are going to unbox this air fryer. I got it on sale from Costco on Thanksgiving. And this is Ninja Foodie. So let's check it out. And I am going to try this with my, let's see. Ooh, this is hard to open. Oh, there. I'm going to try cooking my Lechon Pork Belly in here and see, oh, that's how we do it, and see how it goes. All right, is that it? Ooh, let's see. Ah,
Wow.
oh my.
Oh, look, it's like
That's a
covered.
huge box.
Oh my gosh.
Careful, huh? Huge box. There's the manual. And let me see. There it is. It's a huge one.
Oh.
It says a double, 2 baskets let you cook 2 foods 2 ways.
I see a
and
wire.
finish.
I see a wire.
It is a 10-quart capacity with a dual basket. So it has 2 baskets. Oh my, this is huge. Oops, it's coming out. Watch out. Watch out. Okay, here it is.
Yeah.
And I don't know if this is the right way.
Ooh.
Okay, let's take the box. Daddy, can you grab the box, please? Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Okay, let me see. This is actually my Christmas gift, supposedly, but I couldn't wait because I wanted to use it. When I knew that this is my gift from the Thanksgiving on sale, I thought, I don't think I'm gonna wait. I think I need to open it.
Wow. Look at that, guys.
So cool.
Oh my god. Look at the handles. You can.
It has 2.
That one
open
is
it.
when where you I think you store the food. Yeah.
That's where you
Because
put
I
the food.
saw the cover and it says it.
Okay.
So cool, guys.
Let me see, what do we have here? That's pretty easy. How do we open it now?
There's tape on the side.
Oh, no wonder.
Oh, it's
Not
easy.
opening.
Okay, let's see.
There's
Let's
a
see.
tape.
Ah, wait, what is that?
This is where you put your food.
Ooh,
You can even,
I told ya.
this is
Oh.
perfect for my
There's like more tape.
Lechon belly. And then I'm going to cook some potatoes.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow, and wow.
This is perfect. Okay, thank you, Daddy, for the gift. My early gift. Okay, here it is. We'll see how this air fryer will cook some of my favorite foods. So we are going to try our new air fryer. This is called the Ninja Dual Zone Technology. So it has 2 baskets over here. So I will use the zone 1. It's a zone 1 right here to cook my Lechon Pork Belly. We'll see how it goes. And on the other side, which is the zone 2, I decided, okay, I'm gonna use this one for the first time, but I wanted to cook some sweet potatoes and carrots in there. I didn't put anything. You can actually put some salt and then olive oil or something and toss it, but I decided I'm gonna just put the olive oil later. Okay, all right, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I'm going to close this one up and let's set. Let me turn on the power. Ooh, there. And then I am going to press zone 1. And, oh, it's already set. That's zone 1. And select zone 1, select air fry. It's so I selected air fry right there. And after selecting air fry, set temperature to 400 degree Fahrenheit. Because okay, so now I am setting the second. I already clicked, I forgot. I clicked the second and then press air fry again. And after that, now we can put up our, for the sweet potato, we can leave it for 30 minutes and we'll see after that. 30 minutes. Oh, that's Fahrenheit? No time. So 30 minutes. And for the temperature, we'll just do it as 390. Oh, it's already 390. And then once we're done with that, it's already set. So we can just start. There. So we'll see. We'll update you after 30 minutes once the sweet potato is done. And 1 hour after, we'll see what's happening with our side pork belly. All right. Here's what happened. I decided to pause it for after 30 minutes because I wanted to. This time I will put some oil in here on both sides. So I'm gonna put some oil up here. Let's see, it's actually pretty dry now. And so with our sweet potatoes here. Here's the sweet potato. Yeah. And our carrots. There you go. Alright, so I just finished putting some oil. So now I'm going to turn it on again. Supposedly just pause, but you know, it's my first time and I didn't know what to do. You're supposed to pause it and you can just do one side, but I decided to just turn it off. So I'll press 1 again, put the timer back on to, oh wait, you're supposed to change it to just air fryer. Air fryer right there, and you go up to, I think I'm gonna set it to this time 45 minutes for both sides. We'll see how it goes, or maybe 45 minutes for both sides, so I can just check it later. And then I will press this and then up to fryer, and then 390 would be fine. Temperature, no, the temperature should be the same. I'll do it 45 minutes still, so I don't have to worry. 45, and temperature would be 390 and start. Okay, it starts. That's how it sounds. It's starting. This is what it looks like after an hour. That is looking great. All right, let's. Ooh, it's still sizzling, huh? Let's hear it. Oh my! This is very crispy. So it's actually pretty good. I love it. And it's so much easier. The other one that I got, it took three hours. This one is only 1 hour and 15 minutes, or 20 minutes, I suppose. 1 hour and 20 minutes. All right. Here's the result of my pork belly. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. There's already 4 on top. Uh-oh. I can't. So let's do it right here. Can you mute the music, darling? Thank you. Look. Oh,
yum.
My.
Delicious.
See that? Oh,
Thank you, Lord.
man, I cannot wait.